The United States military has just revealed a game-changing weapon that could potentially redefine the rules of engagement in the ongoing battle against drug cartels in Mexico. For years, the U.S. Air Force has been quietly developing a fighter jet capable of devastating cartel strongholds with unprecedented precision, speed, and firepower. This cutting-edge aircraft, shrouded in secrecy and designed for maximum lethality, is poised to make cartel operations nearly impossible to survive. The fighter, known as the F-47, promises to reshape the dynamics of aerial combat and give the US an unparalleled advantage in the fight against organized crime. But what makes the F-47 so special, and how could it impact the battle for control of Mexico? The growing power of cartels and the need for a new approach. For over 2 decades, Mexico has been engaged in a brutal and bloody war against drug cartels. These criminal organizations have evolved far beyond simple drug trafficking operations. They have transformed into sophisticated military-style insurgencies. Armed with advanced weaponry such as anti-aircraft missiles, improvised explosive devices, drones, and heavily armored vehicles, the cartels now pose a significant threat to the Mexican state and have even begun to rival the military in certain regions. As of mid-2024, cartels are believed to control nearly a third of Mexico's territory, making them a powerful force to be reckoned with. They have adopted military tactics, recruited foreign mercenaries, and even developed their own supply chains for high-tech weaponry. With access to vast resources and territory, cartel leaders are no longer simply criminals. They are formidable opponents capable of fighting state armies head-to-head. Given this alarming evolution, the US military is stepping in with a new weapon to shift the balance of power. The F-47 fighter jet is poised to make cartel compounds and insurgent strongholds vulnerable to precision strikes from the skies. The capabilities of this advanced aircraft go far beyond what we have seen from previous generations of fighter jets. Let's dive deeper into the F-47's specs and the game-changing role it could play in this high-stakes conflict. The F-47, the future of aerial combat. In March 2025, the US military officially unveiled the F-47, marking the beginning of a new era in aerial warfare. As the centerpiece of the Air Force's next-generation air dominance program, the F-47 is designed to replace the iconic F-22 Raptor, which has long been the backbone of America's air superiority. Developed under the classified next-generation air dominance program, the F-47 promises to revolutionize combat, offering unmatched performance, stealth, and versatility. The F-47 is part of a broader vision to create a fleet of advanced fighters that work seamlessly alongside a swarm of unmanned drones. Together, this integrated network will form a powerful, coordinated force capable of outmatching even the most sophisticated adversaries, including heavily armed cartel forces. With its long-range, lightning-fast speed and stealth capabilities, the F-47 is expected to neutralize threats from a distance, offering an unprecedented level of precision and firepower. The F-47's specifications, what sets it apart? Number 1. Unprecedented range. The F-47's combat range is estimated to be around 10,000 nautical miles. This is a groundbreaking development in the world of fighter jets, providing the US military with the ability to strike targets thousands of miles away without the need to refuel. This extended range is especially important in the context of anti-access area denial bubbles, which are zones heavily defended by sophisticated air defense systems. These anti-access area denial bubbles are designed to keep enemy aircraft at bay, but the F-47's range gives it the capability to penetrate these areas and strike at the heart of an adversary's defense systems before they even have a chance to react. Number 2. Speed and stealth. Speed is another critical factor for modern fighter jets, and the F-47 doesn't disappoint. The aircraft is expected to exceed Mach 2, more than twice the speed of sound. While speed alone isn't enough in a world where advanced counter-air missiles can target high-speed jets, the F-47 combines its speed with cutting-edge stealth technology, allowing it to move through contested airspace with minimal detection. Faster jets often suffer from higher heat and radar signatures, making them easier to spot by enemy sensors. The F-47's stealth capabilities, however, are designed to mitigate this issue, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar while still maintaining its speed. This combination of speed and stealth ensures that the F-47 can deliver decisive strikes while avoiding detection. Number 3. Stealth Plus technology. The F-47 will feature Stealth Plus technology, a significant leap forward from the stealth capabilities found in the F-22 and F-35. This technology significantly reduces the aircraft's radar and infrared signatures, making it even harder for enemy systems to detect. The F-47's radar cross-section may even be smaller than a marble, giving it near invisibility in contested airspace. This advancement takes stealth to an entirely new level, ensuring that the aircraft can operate in the most heavily defended environments without being detected. Number 4. Integrated drone support. One of the most innovative aspects of the F-47 program is its collaboration with unmanned drones, or collaborative combat aircraft. The US military plans to deploy more than 1,000 of these drones, which will work in tandem with the F-47 to enhance its capabilities. These drones can travel up to 700 nautical miles, and while they don't match the F-47's range, they provide critical support by extending the reach of the fighter jet. The F-47 and its accompanying drones will form a flexible and powerful team, capable of striking at multiple targets simultaneously, and giving pilots an unprecedented level of operational support. The strategic implications of the F-47. The F-47's capabilities are poised to have a profound impact on military strategies worldwide, especially in areas where adversaries have developed sophisticated air defense systems. The extended range and exceptional stealth make the F-47 the perfect tool for striking targets deep within enemy territory, such as cartel strongholds in remote or heavily defended regions of Mexico. Cartel operations, once thought to be untouchable, may soon find themselves vulnerable to precision strikes from the skies. The combination of speed, stealth, and range also positions the F-47 as a key asset in future conflicts, where counter-air threats are expected to become increasingly advanced. The jet's ability to outmaneuver and outlast enemy defenses could give the US a decisive edge in any future conflict, whether against cartel forces or traditional military adversaries. A game changer for US air power. The F-47 is expected to become operational between 2025 and 2029, with full deployment likely to take place in the early 2030s. With an initial order for 185 aircraft, the US military is making a significant investment in the future of air dominance. The total cost of the F-47 program is estimated at $75.5 billion, a hefty sum, but one that is seen as necessary to maintain the US's technological superiority in the face of rapidly advancing global threats. The F-47's development is still ongoing, but its future seems secure. With its unprecedented capabilities, the F-47 is set to become the cornerstone of US air power for decades to come. As the aircraft enters service, it will reshape the way military operations are conducted, not just against cartels in Mexico, but also in future theaters of conflict around the world. The beginning of a new era. The F-47 represents a bold leap forward in aerial combat, with capabilities that go far beyond what we have seen from previous generations of fighter jets. Its combination of range, speed, stealth, and drone support gives the US military an unprecedented advantage, not just in traditional warfare, but also in the fight against insurgent groups like Mexico's drug cartels. As this next-generation fighter jet enters service, it promises to change the dynamics of modern combat, making cartel operations harder to sustain and ensuring that the US maintains its air superiority in an increasingly complex and dangerous world. The F-47 isn't just a new weapon, it's a symbol of the future of warfare, one where advanced technology, precision, and collaboration between manned and unmanned platforms will dictate the outcome of conflicts for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest in military tech and defense innovations. Let us know your thoughts on the F-47 and its potential impact in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.